we are from Group 5, Section 1. Today we are going to present software application for for engineering technology. This is our team members, which is first Azwan Azran, then Sitina Radija, then myself Musabuna Fatini, and then Batisha Aina. My background is Elite Global Venture, a general contractor for residential, commercial, industrial, and recreational project is the company background. With over 10 years of expertise, the firm has completed over 100 projects throughout Malaysia. For the time being, the construction industry outlook is positive. And beside is our logo of our company. Our project is infrastructure construction, refer to the planning, designing, and building of essential physical structure and facility that support the functioning of a society. The proposed double-story bungalow house will be constructed at Jalan Raja Musa Mahdi within the premise of Polytechnic Ungku Umar Campus A, located in the city of Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. The design of the double-story house include a total floor area of 189.91 square meters. The first floor feature a working room, a discussion room, and a toilet. A front porch provides an inviting entrance to the house. Of the building is the design concept and architectural vision for the double-story house aim to create a comfortable and functional living space while incorporating elements of modern aesthetic. Next, the exterior of the house will feature a sleek and minimalized design with a combination of clean, straight lines and geometric shape. And last but not least, the interior design will prioritize open space and seamless flow between different areas of the house. Of Microsoft Project is a project management tool used for resources management, timekeeping, schedule creation, and project planning. Below is an idea that Microsoft Project offer, which is Grid View. Grid View is a project view that used to plan and manage project with a task list. Next is Board View. Board View is a visual board view that will help to manage workflow and status. And last, Timeline View, which is the traditional Gantt chart that is used for scheduling tasks over a project timeline. There are many features in a Microsoft project, such as project planning, communication, and collaboration, quartering, reporting, roadmap, timesheet, and resources management. However, in this project, it will be a focus on project planning. In this study, we propose to use software to efficiently plan and get ready using state-of-the-art technology. We also want to encourage the use of new technology and building method in order to foster an innovative culture within a construction sector. If this proposal is put into practice in accordance with work scheduling, planning management, and modeling plan work, the predicted cost is probably going to be significant. Therefore, investigation is necessary to identify the problem, furthermore to guarantee the success of this investigation. Objective for this project is to propose the Microsoft project and estimate software for an appropriate work schedule and model design. Next is to calculate material costs effective for the project work. And then next is to determine the project innovative, safe, and effective fields of works.
My name is Ibnu Adija and I will present about analysis of Microsoft project. This is summary of work progress. Summarizing work progress in Microsoft project requires looking at several different parts to have a better idea of how the project is progressing. An overview of the work progress for the bungalows that will be built in Ipoh beginning on November 1, 2023 is provided in the diagram. According to this diagram, construction will start with preliminary work until building work. Now we will look more specifically for each task that dependent to another task. For example, is performance bonds or insurance. It will implement on 1 November 2023, which is for only 1 day. And another task, which is establishing and starting the removal site office, can be done once a performance bond or insurance is finished. The completion of this task takes 7 days, which is establishing and starting the removal site of office. And task land acquisition can also begin at the same time after performance bonds or insurance is done. It is because when one task is done, another task can be done. When performance bonds not finished, not complete, another task need to wait before we started to establish it. And for land acquisition, it will begin on 3 November 2023, and the process of acquiring land takes 5 days to finish. Alright, for this analysis, which is S-curve, I will tell first the reason why it is called S-curve. It is known as S-curve because of its shape, which is it looks like similar with the letter S. And the function of this graph, it can be used to track progress over time. What progress? For this, we will track cash flow for each task over time. And we can see x-axis we put week, and for y-axis we put cost. And overall of this graph, if we see, we can know that this graph, it displays the cost per task on a weekly basis. Last analysis in Microsoft Project is Gantt chart. Gantt chart in Microsoft Project, it will list every task required to complete a project. For instance, if we look at the picture, it takes 143 days to complete preliminary work, and it will run from 1 November 2023 until 30 April 2034.
This is calculation for beam design, column design, and slab thickness. We go to for beam design is length divided 13, 4943 millimeter divided 13, and we get 380 millimeter. For what is 0.4, 0.4 multiply is 380, and we get 152 millimeter. For column design in dimension and size, we use 4300 minus 350 equal 3950 millimeter. For slab thickness is minimum thickness considering deflection control is 8, length equal 26, 3089 millimeter equal 26. We get is 118, and we use 125 millimeter. As you can see, this is a plain design for our team plan layout. It's still designed for top view and front view. This is a beam result for first is ground beam. We use 200 multiply 500. And second is level 1. We use the same is 200 multiply 500. This is a slab design from plan layout, and we use Steam for create this layout for slab. As you can see, this is slab design for level 1. This is a top detailing, from plan layout.
The proposed project, which involves the construction of a double-story bungalow house, demonstrates practicality and innovation through the utilization of Esteem and Microsoft Project software. These tools enable effective project planning and scheduling, ensuring that the project is completed within the allocated time. The advanced design capabilities and robust project planning contribute to an optimized and efficiently organized project. One of the key aspects addressed in our proposal is safety. We recognize the importance of following building rules and standards in the structural design and construction of the house. To ensure the safety and well-being of the tenants, we recommend measures such as using high-quality materials, establishing a solid foundation, incorporating load-bearing walls, and constructing a sturdy structure. Additionally, we emphasize the need for proper ventilation system, exhaust fan, and regular maintenance of HVAC system to maintain high indoor air quality. Our proposal also places a strong emphasis on incorporating innovative and sustainable design ideas into the construction of the double-story bungalow house. We believe in using technology to create a more eco-friendly and energy-efficient living space. Our suggestions include the use of solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, LED lighting, rainwater harvesting system, and sufficient insulation to reduce energy consumption and minimize the environmental impact. We also encourage the use of low-emission paints, sustainable timber products, recycle or reuse materials, and construction methods that minimize waste and carbon emissions. Efficient field implementation is another crucial aspect of our proposal. We recommend validating project findings through the utilization of multiple software tools by comparing outputs from Esteem and Microsoft Project with those from other software platforms. We can identify any discrepancies or variations and ensure the accuracy and reliability of the results. We also encourage exploring more complex design scenarios and optimizing member sizing for critical conditions. This approach allows us to gain a deeper understanding of the software's performance and obtain comprehensive and reliable results. Cost effectiveness is a significant consideration in our proposal. We believe that sustainable design ideas and environmentally responsible building materials and methods can lead to long-term cost savings. By reducing energy use and utility expenses, our proposal design aims to provide financial benefits in the long run. We acknowledge that some of the innovative and sustainable technologies may have initial upfront costs, but we firmly believe that they can lead to lower operational and maintenance costs in the future. To enhance the project applicability and reliability, we recommend the inclusion of additional structural elements such as staircase design, concrete walls, pipe foundation, and raft foundation. Including these elements will provide a more comprehensive basis for comparison between software outputs and align the project outcomes more closely with real-world scenarios. Lastly, our proposal emphasizes the importance of providing early exposure to structural engineering software, including Esteem and Microsoft Project, to civil engineering students. By equipping future engineers with the necessary skills and familiarity with these tools, we enhance their readiness for professional projects and empower them to contribute to the field. In conclusion, the project achieves its objectives by effectively utilizing Esteem and Microsoft Project. Our proposal demonstrates practicality, innovation, safety consideration, efficient field implementation, and cost effectiveness. Through effective project planning, incorporation of innovative and sustainable design ideas, and validation of results through multiple software tools, We aim to create a double-story bungalow house that not only meets the highest safety standards but also embraces sustainability and provides long-term cost savings.